I love violets just like everybody else, but this is the problem if you let them do their thing. They're super cute, but the problem is they take over your entire flower bed. And look what's coming. These are all seedlings. That's why it's important to remove these before they go to seed. But I don't know if it's possible to keep up on them. They're extremely vigorous. The little plants are quite easy to pull up, but there are so many. This is gonna take me forever, and you better believe I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna weed them all. But check out the bigger ones. If I want to pull up this plant, it's really difficult to get it out because they spread with these tubers. And they're not so easy to pull up. The soil is wet, so you think it would be easy. These are the little ones, so they're just popping up. That's different, but look what stays. I'm trying to pull it up for you, but it's so hard to pull up. There we go. This is a tuber. That's the monster right there. It's as if I pulled a bunch up, but there's a ton back down in there. Trying to clean off the dirt and see this right here. That's what you want to get out before it's too late. Look how much of the soil is moving. See the rhizome right here? I want this columbine to get bigger, but the violets are taking all its resources. Really have to get in there. That said, if you want something to spread and take over, this is the perfect plant.